Hello, our names are Fabricio, Perla and Andres, and in a moment we are going to talk about the work we did the last week with kids, about programming in the center of the city, about the citizenship for programming project. And right now Fabricio is gonna talk about what we expected to happen with this.
Well, we all know that scientific research is essential to increase the cultural heritage of society and generate talent and technological development. Is needed to solve socioeconomic problems and generate wealth. Therefore, science and technology are strategic factors that contribute to sustainable social development, protect the environment, and improve the quality of life.
Well, also technology can assist in all phases of development of Mexico. An example of this is in medicine. There are programs called expert system in which a doctor writes their knowledge in a computer and someone who is interviewing a patient can diagnosticate diseases. And another aspect that can help is in education. One of the greatest threats we have in our country is the lack of training. And in this area, there are systems such as one called computer-aided instruction, and which using computer games help children in education. Well, we also think that programming can help the social and economic development of our country by having a program that determines the increases and decreases of production in a factory. So the program also can check the consequences in case of production degradation. Thus, that could be easier for us to prevent that consequences due to that program. So we can have less production decrease, so our product will be better, and that will help the economy situation of our country if we promote that program in more companies.
We have presented these ideas to kids from high school level, and we have sparked in them the curiosity about science and technology. We worked with people from different ages. In a Sunday morning, we made a programming workshop with kids from the ages of 7 to 15 years old. We teach them how to program Lego Mindstorm, and we let them to create their own programs. It was an enriching activity. We enjoyed sharing of our knowledge in programming. Cooperation, sharing with others what life has given to us, and helping others with what our experience have taught us are the basis of a healthy society. We can be brilliant, tolerant, or hardworking, but without the help of others, we can carry out our biggest projects.
As members of Monarchy, we have seen how is programming making the kids think more about how to do things since we created this group and started making workshops, sharing with guys from kindergarten to high school the knowledge we were acquiring. What we hope on doing these kind of activities is to sow a pinch of curiosity in the young people, to let them have a different view of the technology, to let them know that technology is not that complicated and that they can also learn playing. Programming is part of our life since we are in the technology age, where almost everything we touch is part of computer sciences, so this is how programming is not that far from us. A person who programs can think orderly, create solutions, in some cases more than one, and can even improve a solution given. This kind of thinking is one of the paths we can follow to have the development we want to see in our country in the future.